Before starting to do this child portrait on drafting film, I'm going to show you how to use the transparency of the film to avoid having to do your line drawing on your drafting film. So you simply print out your line drawing or your reference photo if you prefer to do it from that, and then place your drafting film on the top of that, align them and make sure that you know where your picture is going to stand. Then use tape I'm going to put some magnets on this so stop it from dropping down. So you put some tape on the top like that, then you fold your tape to the back, secure it like that, so your line drawing is now under your drafting film and you can see it perfectly through your drafting film, and you don't need to put your line drawing on your drafting film. The next thing to remember is to have at hand, ready to use, a white card or paper. If it is a card with a little bit of stiffness and thickness, is better than plain paper, but if you don't have a card, plain paper is okay too, and it's always going to be underneath your drawing. When you are using your line drawing, you put your card under both sheets, under your line drawing, and afterwards when you progress through your coloring and drawing, then you put your card between the two and make the line drawing disappear, which is very handy when you don't want to see the line drawing anymore. I have just finished the first part of this portrait, and now I'm going to show you what I meant by putting this card on between the drafting film and the line drawing and make the lines disappear. I'll show you again. So when you take the card out, you can see all the line drawing. Then you put your card in again and all the line drawing disappears. I have done that a few times throughout the drawing. Every time I want to see my drawing without the lines, I do this and all the lines go away.